Today we're under the hood of the Lexus, and I'm going to be replacing Caitlin's off-road lighting switch with this 8-switch panel system universal. Looks suspiciously like the Aux Beam panel that I have over in the F-150. Hold on.
It's the moon.
It's the moon.
Yeah, can I hold it?
No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so.
Oh.
So this is what I was looking for, the mounting bracket. I've already kind of picked out a spot, and we're right around here. You're gonna tell Caitlin we took a long time measuring this out, right? Thank you.
Yeah.
Breaker. I gotta figure out where to mount it. Well, that was there to hold your one of your engine covers, one of your many engine covers.
Oh, I like it.
Well, the hole spacing is close.
I want to try that.
No.
Mayday.
Oh look, front fogs. We replaced those. Let's tap that. The plastic cover is hitting switch that opens up the breaker. That.
So if we leave it off,
It'll be fine.
is there a con to leaving it off?
Yeah, these little terminals are hot with 12 volts. So if metal touches you can
Start a fire?
oh my god. Everything is start a fire with you.
Sorry, I'll let you finish
Start a fire,
now.
burn down my family. Start a fire.
I'll let you finish now.
It could start a fire. I mean, if you put like aluminum foil between there and the body, yeah, it actually would light on fire.
I was somewhat joking, but apparently...
No, you could short this out, is what could happen. There.
Yay!
Well, you can change the brightness, and when you put the stickers on, it won't be as so bright. So this should be your big boy up top.
Yay!
Is it switching modes?
Yes! I'm so excited. So there are different buttons? Oh.
I just turn them off and then back on.
Oh, okay. Cue night shot. I mean, all I see is... Oh! All it is a circle floating orb from my...
You saw a UFO? What are you saying?
It just looks like a floating orb.
There was a shape in the sky. Hey, lady!
I'm just trying to say what that looks like. Whoa, look, see, there it is.
What do you think of your Lexus now?
It's getting there.
Well, at least now the lights are hooked up to a more appropriate switching solution. Well, I think that's our signal to move it on.
Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button for the next adventures with us, or we can just end it. Okay, bye. Oh, that doesn't sound good. It's just a circle. Holy